Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. This is Rohan Das, an artist with me, Sanjay Agarwal, at the IFIX Gallery. यहाँ पे एक शो आज शुरू हुआ है मॉनसून बैलेट्स सो दिस इज़ अ ग्रुप शो एंड रोहन दास की पेंटिंग्स आप हमारे पीछे देख रहे हैं सो रोहन दास विल टॉक अबाउट दिस पेंटिंग what influenced him you want to hold this and talk about it I'll just shoot
Basically, I have studied from Jamia Millia Islamia, and my forte is into conceptual art, right? So in this one, what I'm trying to show is like, even in the wildlife where there are tribals, there are many tribal societies. They don't know about any civilized rules, like what's a mother, what's a father, but still they have that emotion of being a motherly figure to their child. In this, I'm showing that the tribal woman has been separated from her tribe, but still she is somehow trying to save a child from
child in the
sea.
water
Yeah.
when I saw these paintings I thought about that Lord Krishna when he was born
Yeah,
you know, so his father took him
that's
out
somehow
from
the
jail.
representation. Yeah.
Similar.
Even in the old times when they didn't know about many of the civilized rules we have right now, like what's a motherly figure, but still they somehow had that emotion in them. Like this tribal woman had that emotion in that it's my child. I'll have to protect him.
I'll have to
Like
protect
even in the animals, you will see there are many animal herds. The mother always
Natural
protects. That's the natural thing.
instinct.
Like, that's why I say that mother is the gift from the God, the
Right.
most precious gift.
Okay, so Rohan, now we've seen your painting.
Yeah.
अब हम आपके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे
Yeah.
कि आपका ये जो सफ़र है आर्टिस्ट का ये कब शुरू हुआ आप कैसे इसमें आप उतरे
Like by truly saying I'm a Bengali.
Yes.
So I was all like from the very start I was always like in surrounded by all these art cultures traditions.
Right.
So somehow
Durga
that influenced
Puja.
me. Yeah, Durga Puja.
Yes,
So, yeah.
the main the
Exactly.
goddesses.
Yeah, painting goddesses and all. I just remember the very first thing was that I was in nursery and I asked my mom, dad, I lied to them actually that I want watercolors because my school teacher asked me to. But obviously that there is no chance that a school teacher will ask a nursery child to for a watercolor thing. But I wanted to try it, that's why I lied for it.
You've seen that art world, so you
Yeah,
wanted
yeah.
to start painting.
I didn't know about the difference
Right.
between watercolor and oil
So how
colors.
many years कितना पुराना journey का बता रहे हैं
It's been like as a professional, I have been in this field for like 6 years. But
Okay.
starting from where I have like felt that I want to be an artist, it was like I'm 22 years right now, and it's been a 20 years journey for me.
Very good. That's something I think people should learn from you
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you're I find today I've interviewed more than 100 artists. I've hit a century जो बोलते हैं क्रिकेट की
Okay,
बात
okay,
है।
yeah.
तो मैंने आपके जितना यंग आर्टिस्ट नहीं मिला है मुझे
That's
You
so
know?
good. That's so good to
It's
hear.
good now about this exhibition यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप शो हो रहा है so this is your first exhibition
No, I have tried many online exhibitions before that, and even I have tried one of the physical exhibitions. That was not a government gallery; that was a private gallery organized by a private curator. And somehow I got into it because the jury selected my work
Very
for the
good,
with the help of social media.
Because I feel that your work, what we are standing behind the painting, is something very unique and different.
Yeah,
Somebody may not hesitate, you know.
as in this painting.
Yes.
Like I want you to describe what do you think about it.
अब वो मैंने जैसे
He is
ऊपर
not behind the bars actually.
Yes, no,
We
it
are
is a
behind the bars here.
yes, okay. Although I see that somebody as a hospital
Yeah,
person
that's
with
the
a
thing,
you know
yeah, like the hospital
Yeah,
thing,
PP
we are
kit
behind
जो
the
बोल
bars.
रहे हैं।
Yeah, PP kit, exactly.
Exactly.
We are behind the bars.
Yes,
He
yes.
is out there trying to help us.
Help us.
out of this isolation, helping us come out of this COVID situation.
Right.
They are doing whatever they can, being outside, being in a risk of this COVID pandemic.
yes.
They're still trying to get us out of these bars.
So
This
they
is
are
what it
giving us
is.
that confidence.
Yeah, they are the inspiration for us right now. They are like the idolizing, protecting figures of the society
Yes,
right now.
Very good. That's good. So we'll just shift to the side. Please come.
Yes.
You hold it for a mic. I'll just set the camera. So now we are back in the natural surrounding.
Yeah.
This is which is the Sundarbans?
No, these are not the Sundarbans. This is something coming out from my imagination while looking at many of these beautiful paintings, nature related. This came out of my imagination because, like, I had told you that I do conceptual arts, right?
Yes.
So in these conceptual arts, I actually go deep into the concept to research for it, to something to guide me. I do a very deep research on all of these things. So what it does to me is that I somehow go to a narrow space between a void to come out of it, I do these blissful paintings to give me a piece of
Really
it.
good, you know, means.
This is painting actually indicates the light of hope
Okay.
coming out of the trees.
Beautiful. What time it takes you? For this one
For this
canvas?
one painting, it took me a long time because it had more than 40 layers of work
Really?
in the oil painting. And,
Is it, मतलब I don't know. I'll have
Yeah.
to take under आपका वो शीशे बनना पड़ेगा मुझे. I'll have to become your, you know, disciple.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
learn painting. I've been
No,
painting
and
earlier,
from,
but not.
one thing is there, like everybody can paint. It is just about the skill, what the one is painting, how skilled it is. Like whatever you do is a painting. If you want to paint a scenery and you paint some mountains that a child paints, even that's a painting because he's happy with it. For me, what painting is, it is that which actually satisfies you,
Yes.
which brings peace to you. That's painting.
Children are making sketches of their parents.
Yeah,
Or
that's
teachers
peaceful
जो
for them.
बोलते हैं ना
Yeah,
कि
yeah,
उनका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, that is also a painting.
yeah,
A very
that's also
senior
painting.
artist who is making portrait.
Yeah,
So he is making भैया किसी को देख के वो बना रहे हैं,
हाँ.
ठीक है, वो मिरर कॉपी बना रहे हैं और जो बच्चे हैं वो उनके
अपनी
mind में जो आ रहा है,
imagination से
उनको
बना रहे हैं, हाँ.
अपनी imagination से
जितना वो
जैसे
कर
उनको
सकते
कुछ
हैं.
दिख रहा है तो मुझ बना रहे हैं. What about your professional training? आपने आपका your age, you know, you're not even reached 25.
no, I didn't.
So 22 is the age when are you still going to education? आप कुछ
Yeah,
कर
I'm
रहे हैं
still
अभी?
taking my education right now. I've studied Jamia Millia, bachelor's for Jamia Millia Islamia,
wonderful.
and I'll be going for the masters, opting for the masters from one of these biggest universities. I'll be trying my best to
So
cope up
what
with that.
subjects are you doing?
I'm basically doing painting.
Painting?
Yeah, bachelor's of fine arts.
So you will
with painting.
continue.
I'll
into
continue
the
this
art
journey.
world.
Yeah, I'll continue this journey till my last breath. I
Okay.
think so.
And,
Whatever it takes.
Lovely speaking to you. I think we have one or two more artists.
Yeah.
All the wind up हो रहा है. तो मैं इसे stop कर रहा हूँ. आपको फिर अभी दोबारा मिलेंगे.
It was very nice to meet you. Thank you for the interview.
Sanjay Agarwal. Yeah, I'll just stop.